Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to solve the cross product of two vectors. The first thing we're going to do is set up I, J, K, kind of like columns. Next, we're going to set up our next vectors. Vector A, let's just move this up a little bit. Next, we're going to set up our vectors. We have vector A, and that is -9 for I, 5 for J, -3 for the K component. Then we have vector B, and we can see that the vector B will also fill it out accordingly. B, we see it's going to be 2, 9, 2. All right. So now, when doing the cross product for this, we are going to find the determinants of this matrix, this 3x3 matrix. And that means I have to set up my minors and majors in order to find the determinants of smaller matrices. So the first thing we do is we're going to choose column I. And what that means is this gets canceled. So I write out my I, and the remaining matrix is this. So the row where I is, the column where I is, canceled. The remaining numbers that weren't in that column or row is the remaining matrix. That's it. And you flip your sign, and we do the same thing for J. Now for J, I'm going to move these over as such. And as you can see, the whole top row will be canceled once again. But now it's that middle column that's gone. So I can rewrite the matrix as -9, -3, 2, 2. Then we're going to alternate your sign. So it starts with plus, minus, plus, minus. So plus K. And this one, we're going to move over one more time. Oops. Move over one more time. And we see the remaining matrix is the first four right there. So we see -9, 5, 2, 9. All right. Now, all we need to do is find the determinant of this guy, A, B, C, D, and that's super easy. All we do is A times D minus B times C. So that's what we're going to do for all three of these. So first we have I bracket 5 times 2 minus -3 times 9 bracket minus J bracket -9 times 2 minus -3 times 2 bracket plus K bracket -9 times 9 minus 5 times 2. Beautiful. All right. So now you just make sure you do multiplication correctly. And yeah, so we'll clean this up. I, 10 minus -27 minus J, -18 minus -6 plus K is -81 minus 10. And then we clean it up one more time, and that should pretty much give us the answer we need. So let's make sure we make things a little neater. All right. So we have, let's write this out. We have I 37 minus J -12. Right there, because -18 plus 6 plus K -91. Then clean it up, 37I plus 12J minus 91K. And then we can write that in vector form, 37, 12, -91. And that is our cross product for these two given vectors. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there's another example you would like me to cover, please just shoot me an email or send something in the comments. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.